Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making oha soup. So at this point I'm peeling the cocoyam because I'll be using cocoyam, and this is the rishi I'll be using. We have stockfish, cow meat, goat meat, or more dried fish. And as you can see, I'm done peeling the cocoyam and I will introduce it into the pot so that I can cook everything together. Yes, this is me killing two birds with one stone. Instead of cooking it separately, I'll be cooking it together to save time. Yes, I'll cover, then return back to the oha. I will have to remove the oha from the steam, then after which I will chop it with my hand. You don't need a knife to chop your oha, you just with your hand, so that it will prevent the soup from being bitter. Yeah, so guys, hope you are still there. If you are still there, then make sure you watch to the end. So this is the uziza seed that I'll be using for the soup. You know, we have uziza leaf, but I want to use uziza seed because it has this sweet flavor and it will give the soup a different taste entirely. So I'll be pounding it together with crayfish, and after which I will come back to the cocoyam to see if it is cooked, and obviously it is okay. I'll have to remove it and pour it into a mortar so that I can pound it before adding it, sending it back to the pot. So this is exactly what I'm doing now. But let me ask you a question. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, haba, just do that now. Do it right away. So after pounding the cocoyam, I will have to take it back to the pot so that it will give me that, you know, that will be the thickener of the soup. That's the thickener. So I'm turning it back to the pot. So after which I will introduce palm oil, then cover and come back after some minutes. As you can see, the cocoyam is okay now, and I will now, this is ogiri. I will now introduce ogiri. You know, ogiri, without ogiri, it won't give you that delicious, you know. So after ogiri, I'll be adding the uziza seed and crayfish. You know, I blended the two together. Then I will have to stir. Oh my god, the aroma is just everywhere. Oh my god, could this be soup? At this point, you need to see the aroma. The aroma is just everywhere. But anyways, so at this point I'm introducing the Ghana black pepper into the pot. Then the chief ingredients, which is the oha leaf, goes into the pot. And at this point then I'm like, few minutes to go. This is me adding salt for taste. Then just 1 cube of seasoning, you are good to go because ogiri is already there. Just 1 cube, you are okay. Then after which I will stir. Oh my god, the aroma is just everywhere. If you have not subscribed to this channel, honestly you are missing. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you, my returning subscribers. No, I can't leave you behind. You see, this soup, it is for you. It is for you. This soup is for you. The aroma is just everywhere. If you have not subscribed to this channel, oh my god, you are really missing. Subscribe and belong to this family. Like, comment and share. Thank you. Oh my god, get your fufu, get your lolo, get your semo, get every getting. It is good to go. It is good to go. It is good to go. Oh my, check out soup now. Check out soup. This is what we call soup. After eating this soup can raise the dead. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to share. Tell somebody to tell another person. Let the message go viral. Thank you.